Hi there, my name is Katriina Valli. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called AI4value. We partner with IWA labs when it comes to artificial intelligence utilization. There's a lot of talk about artificial intelligence right now, and unfortunately there's also a lot of over-bloating hype about it. So what AI in practice is today, we have 4 different areas. We have natural language processing, NLP. We have OCR, which is image recognition. We have machine learning, and we have chatbots. Out of these 4, machine learning is by far the most efficient. You can do things like, for instance, predictive analytics with machine learning. Chatbots, they don't learn yet, they need to be taught. Natural language processing is perhaps the most widely spread area where AI is used today. Artificial intelligence is at its best when you need to analyze and process a lot of data. We're talking about humongous amounts of data. So the more you have, the more the AI likes it and the better results you get. So for instance, I'll tell just one example. What we did, just for the heck of it, because we can, we took, for instance, a data dump of 10 million tweets. And if you're in Twitter, you know what these tweets are like. It's not structured. It is sort of trying to simulate how people communicate in Twitter. Because in this case, the tweets were produced by trolls. And these 10 million tweets, which is quite a lot, we were able to process them into an ontology database in 1 day. If we did that with human labor, it wouldn't be ready in 15 years. So that sort of shows the speed and power what AI can give you. So the bottom line is that what AI really needs in order to work is a lot of data. A lot of data. Typically a Finnish organization in itself doesn't necessarily have enough data for AI to work properly. And for that reason, what we tend to do and what needs to be done is that we also take data from external sources. Another problem can be data quality. One of the big problems of construction industries and how to maintain, say for instance, a big mall has always been that the data is always lagging behind. What was as planned is not what is as built, and it's definitely not as maintained. The data comes from various different sources. They're not in the same format. They don't have unified master data. So it's very difficult to analyze from all of the data that how is our building doing today? What kind of maintenance procedures have been taking place in the past 6 months? And what does it mean in our sort of usage context? So with AI, you can take all of this data. It doesn't matter whether it's PDF or Word or it's a scanned photo, whatever. But you can make great predictive analysis on the health of a building with AI. The best way, in my mind, to start with AI is to just start testing. Identify one area where you think you have enough data or there are enough data sources that the sample is big enough. Think about things like what can we do in our organization that would help either our people or our clients. Make a pilot. You will learn from that process. With us it takes about, let's say, 6 weeks. Once you've done that, that's the best way to really concretely realize what AI can be in your context. AI is portrayed as a threat quite often in the media. They're all like, Skynet is coming, it's going to take all of our jobs, it's going to rob our women, all the usual sort of fear-inducing indicators. But I can ease your minds. Right now, AI is really stupid. Skynet is nowhere near in the future. My prediction would be that algorithms will only start truly teaching themselves after 20 or 30 years from this day and age. So rest assured, AI right now is completely controlled by the domain of human understanding.